Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides a single sign-on solution for Magento, and as we know, it is the best SAML SSO solution available in the market. So in this video, we are going to see how to set up Magento as a service provider. Let's get started with the setup. Go to the Service Providers tab. Click on the Upload Metadata. Enter your identity provider name in the given text box and also paste copied app federation URL in the Upload URL text box. You can get metadata URL from your identity provider. And click on the Upload button. Copy SAML logout URL from the Azure AD. Copy logout URL. Paste logout URL in the text box. Scroll down and click on the Test Configuration button to see your test configuration values. Here you can see the test configuration. Click on the Save button to save all the configurations. You have successfully set up Magento as service provider. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us at magentosupport@securify.com.